Listening exercise. My new life in Argentina. I live in Tucuman, a beautiful city in Argentina. I moved here last year to work as an English teacher. At the beginning, it was not easy because everything was new for me. Many people speak Spanish here, so I had to learn the language. Now, I can speak Spanish quite well, but I cannot speak Portuguese. I really like this city because the people are friendly. On Friday nights, there is a dancing night in the town square, and many people join. I can dance very well, and I enjoy it so much. I also love music. My friend Sofia can play the piano very well, and she is teaching me. I can play the piano a little, but I can't play the guitar. On Sundays, I usually spend time with my host family. They usually cook empanadas, a delicious traditional food. I want to learn more Spanish and also improve my dancing skills. You're doing great. Subscribe for more videos.